Hello guys, first of all I wanted to say thank you to those few people who are watching. Trust me, that means a lot. There no one will be watching. But yeah, I wasn't going to make a video today simply because it was a lazy day and there was no need to film it, because it was going to be just the same as mostly every vlog I've made. But something came up and I wanted to make a video about it, just talking. So yeah, it's actually the first time I'm talking about it on YouTube. Maybe, I don't know. But some people already know, my family, some friends know. I suffer from depression. I know I'm not the only one. I know there are many people out there who go through the same thing every day, and yeah, it's not easy. It's not something you can just snap your fingers and it's gone. It can go away for days or weeks and then comes back all of a sudden. So yeah, for some reason, I don't know why these past few days have been little weird for me. I don't know why, but I've been feeling really lonely, and yeah, it's a lot. I mean, time passes by and I'm getting older and I don't see any changes in my life, and I get desperate, and yeah, I don't want to cry on camera. Okay. So yeah, I don't know why these past few days, it just seems like I have no one. I know I do. I mean, I do have a family and I do have friends, but most of them don't understand really what it is to have depression or to just have a bad day. And months ago, it used to be easier to just focus on something else. But lately it's really difficult. I just feel stuck, and I guess I wanted to make this video first of all because even though, I mean, no one wants to remember the bad days, the sad days. For someone like me, for example, it's important to remember that those days are always going to be there, and those are the days that make you stronger, and the ones that make you keep going. But it's also, I mean, it's also good to show to other people who might be going through the same thing, to show them that they're not alone, that there are other people having bad days and going through shitty stuff, and that hopefully one day we can go back and see how life changed, hopefully. I think these days are the ones that make me, that motivate me to keep going and look for something better for me in the future. Okay, so yeah. Long story short, today was crappy. In case future Monse is watching, I do not know the reason. I just know that suddenly I remember that in less than 4 months I'll be 27, and my life hasn't going anywhere. I know it sounds lame and I may be overreacting, but yeah, I mean, it just feels like time goes by and suddenly you're stuck while everyone else moves on with their lives. Yeah, it just seems that time flies and suddenly you're stuck, seeing how everyone else is moving on, finding new friends, finding love, getting the job they love, and you're still stuck. Hopefully for future months life is different and she has finally found someone who loves her and who wants to be with her. She's finally doing what she loves, and she doesn't feel alone anymore. Sorry. I guess I just want to vent, so I don't feel so alone. Because I know there are many people like me out there feeling like they're not worth it, and that the life is not worth it. But I know it is, and I know there are many things out there waiting for me. And I just want to tell everyone that you're not alone, that things get better. I know I'm not the best example to say this at the moment because I'm crying and I don't feel very hopeful at the moment, but I'm sure there's something better. I'm sure one day we'll all be happy. So yeah, I guess sorry about venting. Sometimes you just need to open up I think I needed this. No, this is not a cry for attention. No, this is not something you have to be worried about. That's why I wanted to make the video, to vent and feel better. Right now I do feel better. It does help. So I guess sometimes you just need someone to listen, and sometimes a camera is a good listener. Okay, so I promise you, you're not alone. You might feel like it, but you're not. And there are many people who love you and who want to spend time with you. But I do understand that most of the time, at least for me, that's how it is. You prefer to stay away from people. Because it's, at least for me, it's easier. I'm just learning to socialize, to be okay, to be around people, to be around other people. Sometimes it feels like I still don't know how to talk. Trust me, it's not just the accent. In Spanish, it's just the same. I mumble a lot, so I'm always scared people won't understand me or make fun of me. I'm a little different in many ways. So yeah, there's always a scary side in meeting people, in getting close to people, that has made me just hide and put my life on hold. Okay, so just to end this on a happy note, I just want to let you know that you are awesome. That no matter how bad your day is, chances are it's really not that bad, and tomorrow there's a chance it can get better, and that you have the power to change it, to do something about it,